Today we are going to make an Amish cough syrup, a recipe I got from the milkman's wife. And I made it one other time, but we're getting low, so it's time to make up another batch. We start with onions. I like 2 nice sized onions. And you'll use 2 to 4 lemons depending on their size. These are quite small, so I'm using 4 lemons because you want about equal amounts of onion and lemon slices. So we're going to slice them up thinly. Okay, then we're going to layer them in the jar, kind of equal amounts, thin layers of onions and a layer of lemons. As I said before, you don't have to be too picky or precise on this. Just kind of want even layers as close to pot as possible. I think the last time I made this, I actually bought bottles of blackberry brandy and peppermint schnapps that were probably twice this size, so I don't know if this is going to cover it completely or not, but you'll get the idea. Okay. Here's our lemons and onions. Next, you're going to pour in the honey, and I'm going to use, this is a quart jar, so we're going to use equal amounts of peppermint schnapps, blackberry brandy, and honey. And since I have a pint of each of these, I'm only using half of the quart jar of honey. And just pour that in on top of everything. Okay, that's about a pint. All right, we're just going to pour these in on top of everything else. And it's not enough to cover it, so I would recommend using a quart of blackberry brandy and a quart of peppermint schnapps and the whole quart jar of honey, and then you'll have enough to cover this. And then you're going to put a lid on it and put it in the fridge. And I let it set for 2 or 3 days before I use it, but it's going to last a year or better in the fridge, because I'm pretty sure everything in there is pickled. So, and it does a good job. All right, if you make a big batch like this and you're just going to share it with family members, when it's fresh, has set for just a few days, I would recommend taking a few of the onions and lemons and putting them in a jar along with the juice to give to family members. This, however, is some that I made several months ago, and it's set for a long time. As you can see, it has a little different look to it than the stuff we just made today. And this, I would say, is plenty strong to just pour right into a jar and send home with family members. Just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.